Alright, y'all. We finna make a oldie but goodie today. Finna teach y'all how to build some hamburger helper. Hey. My little girl said, hey. Squeeze this meat off in here. Well, you know, eventually, put the meat in the pan and let it cook. We're gonna put some of Cliff's favorite food up in here. Just a little touch of onion. That's all. We got that one. We're gonna let that cook. And see, some of y'all will just follow the directions on the box and holler hamburger helper. That's why I made this video. The directions on the box tell you basically how to make hamburger helper. But we finna spruce it up a little bit. We done put some onions in here. And y'all know I usually season stuff with, you know, garlic powder and onion powder and all that good stuff. Well, for this one right here, you want a specific seasoning. You want to get you some of this Tony's Tony's, from Tony's seasoning, and put on here. And that is going to change your hamburger helper right on up for you. I can stop the video right now. Now you follow the box directions. But instead, I'm going to keep the video going. I'll probably tell y'all a little story or something while this is cooking. I don't know. I had to see if I can come up with something to tell y'all about. We'll be back in a little bit when this meat's a little closer to done. We got this meat just about done. Still got a little piece there in the middle that ain't quite done. But we just gonna stir it around, get it finished up, and then we finna strain this, and we finna make hamburger helper. We'll be back with y'all with some strained meat. We got all that beef strained off, and we finna go on and add the water to it. Around here we don't use a whole lot of milk. So we don't keep a whole lot of milk in the refrigerator. So y'all just seen me add milk and water, but we just use water in our hamburger helper. Because we don't have milk around here a lot of times. Because we don't drink milk. So that's why. Because we ain't got no milk. And I wasn't finna buy no gallon of milk just to make no hamburger helper. Because we don't drink milk around here. My kids over there arguing with me saying we got milk. We ain't got milk. I ain't got milk. You got milk. No, that don't count. That's lactose-free milk. No.
We have powder.
Lord have mercy. This video finna get some editing. I got arguing kids. Alright. And we're making a double batch of this right here because I got a whole bunch of kids. Y'all know how many kids I got?
1,500.
Me neither.
He actually has 500. 100,000. It feels like 100,000. But there's only 4. Oh.
So I promised y'all a story. I couldn't think of no real good story to tell y'all.
Daddy, tell him about that doctor.
No, we ain't telling them about that. That's a bad story. That is an all the way bad story. But I will tell y'all about one time. Tell y'all about my experiment, either one of them, with peppermint oil. Y'all ever use peppermint oil? My wife said don't tell that story about the peppermint oil. So I ain't gonna tell y'all about the peppermint oil.
Right.
But if y'all think y'all want to know what happened with the peppermint oil, y'all ask my wife. I'm turning my tea off back there, y'all. Let's cook.
You bald, dude. You don't cook.
I build tea, okay? I build it. And just like we building this hamburger helper right here. Now see, it don't look much different, y'all, but I'm telling you. That Tony's seasoning gonna make this taste good. Alright. They say a watch pot never boils. We're gonna let y'all watch this pot and see if it boils. Y'all ready? Set, go. Ha! It started boiling. Told y'all, it's boiling. Now once it starts boiling, I don't know if y'all ever made hamburger helper. This stuff will stick in a heartbeat. It's like banana pudding, I reckon. So we making cheeseburger, hamburger helper, banana pudding. Anyway, it'll stick to the skillet or pan or pot or whatever you cook it in. And so you're gonna have to stir it, and you're gonna have to keep stirring it till them biscuits get tender. Noodles, biscuits, noodles. They made out of the same ingredients. We just gonna keep on stirring it. Y'all reckon it's done? This is my favorite way to see if noodles or beans or anything like that's done. Y'all ready? Don't tell my wife I did this now. Don't tell her I did that. But see, that's hot. So I ain't finna see if it's done right now because it's too hot. We'll let it cool a minute. Let it chill out. Now I'm gonna just keep on rocking, doing what I'm doing. Making sure this stuff don't stick, and then I'm gonna reach down here. It's still hot, and it still ain't done. I got to cleanse this mess up. Now, good enough. Ooh, I about to burn it. I'm telling y'all, it'll scorch in a heartbeat. What I clean that up? What y'all let me clean that up for? I'm finna have to do the same thing again. Get you one of them noodles out. That's a bunch of noodles. Just bloop, right there. Stir, stir, stir. I'm just being silly at this point. About 3/4 done. You know that box will tell you how long to cook this for? And y'all welcome to read that. But we all know that by now, you done threw the box in the garbage. You had to pull the box out of the garbage 3 times to read the directions because you done forgot to keep them. So, just wing it. It'll be alright. It's feeling thick now. Like that banana pudding. I'm gonna turn the heat off. I'm gonna keep stirring it. I'm gonna probably cook something to go with this, like some, I don't know, potato salad or, I don't know, something. And we're gonna eat supper here in a little bit. So like I said, keep stirring it. Once you turn the heat off, once the skillet cools down, it ain't sticking no more. you can go cook your other stuff. Y'all be easy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell your friends about me.